Have you ever watched a line of dominoes falling one after another, creating a mesmerizing chain reaction? Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore a concept that mirrors this chain reaction, and it is called the domino effect. At its core, the domino effect refers to the intriguing chain reaction that happens when one action or event triggers a series of related events, each dependent on the previous one. Let's understand this better. Consider the rapid progression of technology. The invention of telephone led to further developments in communications, including smartphones and internet. Each innovation built on the previous one, creating a continuous chain of technological advancements that have revolutionized the way we connect and share information. Even in our personal lives, the domino effect can be seen. Imagine you decide to start exercising regularly. This small choice can lead to improved health, increased energy levels, and a positive impact on your overall well-being. With this newfound energy, you might want to pursue new hobbies or achieve your personal goals, creating a chain of positive changes that stem from the initial decision. In a way, the domino effect reminds us of the intricate interconnectedness of the world, highlighting the fact that our actions and our choices rarely exist in isolation. It underscores the idea that a small initial change can create a significant and a far-reaching impact. This concept encourages us to be mindful of our choices, as they may have consequences that go beyond what we might expect. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.